I remember how excited I was and really how excited the whole SVS team was when we first launched the original 1000 series subwoofers. The level of performance that series offered really had never been seen before anywhere near their price ranges. Now, the significance of that for us is SVS is all about bringing amazing home theater and music listening experiences to more and more people, to make it possible for more people to really enjoy the wonders of great sound. And the 1000 series did a really great job of bringing more people to the idea that a great subwoofer experience was available to them. It became one of the most successful products in SVS history. So imagine our trepidation as we embarked on a new project to replace the 1000 series subwoofers. Could it be done? Well, I'm really, really proud of what our engineering team accomplished with our all-new 1000 Pro series subwoofers. With 1000 series, we brought real subwoofer performance to price ranges where that had never been seen before. With 1000 Pro series, the goal was to bring reference subwoofer performance to a price range where that has never been seen. Our 1000 Pro series features several important design innovations that work together to create this reference experience. First of all, an all-new reimagined 12-inch SVS subwoofer driver that creates incredible low frequencies below the threshold of audibility at whatever volume levels the listener wants to enjoy. And of course does it with the SVS hallmarks of accurate frequency response, meaning the notes or frequencies you want to hear that was there in the content originally in the exact proportion that's supposed to be there. And doing it with speed and transients, so the pluck of a bass string or the snap of a door closing in a movie is accurate and convincing. And, as always, engineered to seamlessly blend with the full range speakers. But a driver is really, as we always say, potential. It needs to be actuated by a really great amplifier platform. Now, we have a phenomenal amplifier platform that we began development with our 16 Ultra reference subwoofers. And we've worked hard to bring what we've learned from that platform to price ranges that are more inclusive, that allow more people to enjoy great sound. But could we bring that level of reference amplifier performance to our 1000 series price ranges? Well, our 1000 Pro series, I'm proud to announce, features a version of the 16 Ultra amplifier platform that we have now brought to the 1000 Pro price ranges. It features an all-new 325 watt continuous power, more than 800 watt peak power amplifier that uses our digital front end for efficient power handling, but our analog MOSFET output stage for incredible high current performance and great real-world actuation of that driver potential. We marry that with the same 50 megahertz analog devices DSP to create an experience that has just never been seen in subwoofer performance anywhere near this price range. And because of this level of sophistication, we're able to include the SVS smartphone control app. So you'll be able to adjust with unbelievable precision every aspect of the subwoofer's performance, or you can just set it and forget it and just use the convenient presets for different kinds of movies or music. We have two models in our 1000 Pro series. This is our SB-1000 Pro. And it features the 12-inch driver I described, same amplifier, in a very convenient and compact sealed enclosure. It's a 13-inch cabinet that will fit pretty much anywhere and yet delivers astonishing output. But I'm really excited to announce our PB-1000 Pro because we've brought to this 1000 Pro series price range our first ever 12-inch ported subwoofer experience with dual ports This is really a phenomenally capable ported subwoofer that is going to turn the subwoofer world on its ear for what it accomplishes at its price range. It's absolutely stunning. What's really special about the 1000 Pro series, to me and really to all of us at SVS, is that they allow us to share our passion for reference subwoofer experiences and really reference sound experiences to more people than ever. And I'm really proud of what our team accomplished.